Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are gonna talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum and more. So make sure you stay tuned at the end if you don't want to miss any important information. And now let's jump straight into the Ethereum charts. Here we can see here Ethereum has to go above this resistance line right here. So we will have to go above the $4,600 very soon. This might happen today with a new interest rate cut. We can see we've been moving basically sideways. If we check out here the 4-hour chart, we been basically just moving sideways into this range right here, guys. We can see it here from 4,750 down to 4,000, up to 4,900, and back to 4,200, back to 4,800, and now consolidating sideways. The question is, when will we go for a new all-time high for Ethereum? This is a very important question. I think this might happen in the next upcoming weeks. We are very close to the biggest altcoin season ever talked about, guys, and we will also talk about it in today's video about the altcoin season index indicator, which is already in the altcoin season phase. So now it's time to make money. You can see here IMX trade up 3.7k. It was in the red last week. We can see here Bitcoin trade also slowly recovering, almost back into the profits, which is quite nicely. Besides that, we have Cake here, and Cake today, let me quickly show you, had a big pump actually. Let's talk about it right here. We pumped on Cake, I think, quite a big amount. We pumped up to $2.75. So basically this trade was already in the profits, but it retraced down very quickly. I actually saw it. I wanted to take some profits. I was just outside, and in this case I couldn't close my position here, but I wanted to take some profits here. Would have been good to take some profits and then scale it back in if it goes lower. Because, as we can see here, the RSI was almost overbought. Always when the RSI is overbought, just take some profits. Easily, just do it. Then, what else do we have here? Let's quickly check some other altcoins here as well. We have Ethereum market is slightly greenish, which is quite nice. You can see here Doge is going up slowly, Uniswap going up slowly, Solana going up slowly. All of the altcoins are basically, most of them are in the green numbers, which is quite positive. So I expect some big moves. The reason why they are not moving a lot to the upside or downside is because they are waiting for a decision from the interest rate cut. They will either cut it by 0.25 or they will cut it by 0.5, which will be very bullish. If they cut by 0.5, we will see a nice move to the upside for all of the altcoins and for Bitcoin and for Ethereum. So the time is very close. I think Ethereum will probably go to $5,000 very soon. I think many altcoins will follow as well. That's why I'm positioned all over across all of the sectors in crypto, and I'm just waiting for the big altcoin season. And I still think I feel it coming. I feel there is going to be an altcoin season. We know it from the last bull market. Many people are not thinking about it, but I still think that will happen. So if you want to trade like Simdo here on the VX platform, down in the description, down below, you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Make sure you take advantage of that opportunity and start your trading career today. Also, if you're a professional trader, you can get up to 20% deposit bonus. This is for everyone, not just for the professional traders. You can also just start with $100 and you get $20 that you can use for trading, which is quite amazing. Now, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you again next time.